Okay, I've been doing needle turn applique. I'm just starting to learn, and I'll just give you what I've learned so far. Okay, to do needle turn, what I did is I cut out the shape that I want, and I cut it out 1/4 of an inch more than the template called. This is the template, and I cut it out 1/4 of an inch more, and I drew the 1/4 of an inch inside, and this is going to be my turning thing. So I did that. Then I use applique pins. These are teeny tiny pins. And I'm also using regular size pins. Now, this is the applique needle. As you can see, it's very tiny. It's much smaller than the standard pin. So yeah, those applique needles are definitely worth it. So I'm using pins to hold this down, two pins. And then I thread this. I use a threader for that. And I'm using just standard Gooderman's cotton thread. It really doesn't matter the color because it's all underneath. All the thread is underneath. So when you do the stitch. So that's what I'm using. And as a helpmate, I'm using my shovel, my Clover shovel iron to press down the, instead of finger pressing, I'm using my iron to hold that down so I can just stitch all the way. And that seems to do the trick. I'm real happy about that. Now, it's going under, by the way. It's not going this way, it's going under. And I use the needle to push it under, or I use my fingers. I just fold it under and press it. It's hard to do with one hand, but that's pretty much what I'm doing. On that line, I have to get it on that line. So, there. Okay. So that's what I'm doing. And I just press it down and then I stitch. So that is making it a lot easier, the needle turn aspect of it, because the stitch itself, the invisible stitch, is quite easy. It's just having the right tools. But the water-soluble pen is good because when I'm done, then I can take water on a cloth, or I have one of these Clover eraser pens, which is just basically water. And I just get rid of the blue along the edge here, if there's any. And then I've got a beautiful applique piece. So there you have it.